In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up audio without changing pitch in DaVinci Resolve. If you've ever tried to make a voice recording, podcast segment, or music clip play faster, you've probably noticed that the sound can become unnaturally high-pitched. That happens because speeding up audio normally affects both the timing and the pitch. The good news is that in DaVinci Resolve, there's a simple built-in way to increase the speed while keeping the original pitch sounding natural. To get started, go to your timeline and click on the audio clip you want to adjust. Make sure the correct clip is selected before moving on, because any changes you make will apply only to that selected piece of audio. This is especially helpful if you're working in a project with multiple clips and want to avoid editing the wrong one. Once the clip is selected, right-click on it to open the context menu. In that menu, click on Change Clip Speed. This will open the speed settings for that specific clip, where you can control how fast or slow the audio plays back. Now turn up the speed percent to whatever value you need. For example, if you want the audio to play a little faster, you can raise the percentage slightly. If you need a bigger speed increase, you can set it higher. Just keep in mind that the more you speed up the clip, the more noticeable the change in pacing will be. It's usually a good idea to preview the result afterwards so you can make sure the audio still sounds clear and easy to understand. The most important part of this process is enabling pitch correction. In the same Change Clip Speed window, check the pitch correction option. This tells DaVinci Resolve to preserve the original pitch of the audio, even though the clip is now playing faster. Without this setting turned on, voices and other sounds may come out sounding too high. After that, apply the change and you're done. Your audio will now play faster without that chipmunk-like pitch shift that usually happens. This is a quick and useful technique when you want to tighten up spoken audio, improve pacing, or save time in a video without making the sound unnatural. If needed, you can always go back and adjust the speed again until it feels right for your project. And that's how to speed up audio without changing pitch in DaVinci Resolve.